Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax. We're going to take a look at a 2016 Xcursion 23 with a Yamaha 150 on it. All right, so 293 hours on this one. Does have snap-in, snap-out flooring with vinyl deck underneath, so super easy to clean. Just snap the carpet out, spray it, hit it with a deck brush and a hose, and you're done. This is a bow filler cushion that's actually built to fill in that bow. That way you can have wraparound seating in the back as well as wraparound seating up front. We have the canvas taken down for the off-season, but does have an extended 10-foot bimini on board. In-floor ski locker, spot for a table, as well as a ski tow bar and folding 5-step ladder. So nice boat, and certainly a whole lot less than anything new you're going to see out there on the market. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other pre-owned boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.